everyone, and welcome to What's Cooking Mug Edition. My name is Miss Alexis, and I work at the Asheboro Public Library in the children's room. Today we are going to be making lasagna in a mug. If you haven't already washed your hands, you can pause the video here to do so. Let's go ahead and go over our ingredients. You will need 2 sheets of lasagna pasta, 3/4 cup of water, a teaspoon of oil, 3 tablespoons of pasta sauce, 4 tablespoons of ricotta cheese, 3 tablespoons of uncooked spinach, 2 tablespoons of cooked beef or cooked sausage is optional, and 1 tablespoon of shredded cheese. Let's go ahead and start putting our lasagna together. First, you're going to start by breaking your lasagna sheets, and you can either do that in your mug or in a separate bowl. I'm going to do mine in a separate bowl. Just break them into small pieces. And then you just want to pour your water over the lasagna noodles. I'm going to take these 2 pieces out. It's a little too full. And now you want to add your teaspoon of oil, and the oil will keep the pasta from sticking together. Now you want to pop this into the microwave for 3.5 to 4 minutes, or until the pasta is cooked. Once your pasta is halfway finished, you want to take it out of the microwave and gently stir it, and then put it back in the microwave for the remaining time. Now we're just going to pop this back into the microwave and let it finish cooking. Once your pasta has finished cooking in the microwave, ask an adult to assist you with removing it and draining the remaining water. Once you've drained your pasta, now it's time to start layering into your mug. So we're going to start by adding a tablespoon of our pasta sauce to the bottom. You just want to spread it around just to coat the bottom. Next, you want to add a layer of your pasta, just like that. Now we're going to add some of our spinach. Just a couple of pieces. So it looks like that. And then if you are using beef or sausage, you would add that next. I'm not going to use any, so now I'm going to add my ricotta cheese on top of my spinach. And just spread it out using my spoon. Just like that. And now we're going to repeat those layers until we run out of ingredients, or until we've reached almost to the top. So I'm going to add some more sauce. Then I'll add my pasta. Add some spinach. and my ricotta cheese. Now we repeat. You should have enough to do at least 3 layers, possibly 4 or more. Spinach. And we're going to top it with our shredded cheese. So it looks just like that. Now we're going to pop this back into the microwave for 2.5 minutes or until it's cooked through and the cheese is bubbly on top. Once your lasagna has finished cooking in the microwave, allow it to cool down for a few minutes and ask an adult to assist you with removing it because it may be hot. It looks and smells so good. It's still a little warm, but I'm going to try to do a taste test because this smells too delicious not to try it. Oh my goodness. This is so good. The noodles are cooked perfectly. It's very cheesy and saucy. You have to try this for yourself. I hope you enjoyed this video and the lasagna as much as I did. Join me next time for a new episode of What's Cooking Mug Edition. Bye!